Welcome to the extraordinary world of camel meat industry. This billion-dollar industry transforms premium camel meat into luxury products worldwide. Stay with me to discover the complete journey from desert farms to your premium table.
Ever wondered how camel meat goes from the vast deserts to your dinner plate? What you're about to see might completely change how you think about this ancient industry. Welcome to the world of camel farming, a multi-billion-dollar industry that's been thriving for thousands of years, yet remains one of the most misunderstood sectors in modern food production. In the next few minutes, we're taking you inside the complete journey of camel meat production, from the remote desert farms where these remarkable animals are raised, to the high-tech processing facilities where every part of the camel is transformed into valuable products. You'll witness how farmers in some of the world's harshest climates have perfected the art of raising camels, how modern slaughterhouses process these massive animals with precision and respect, and how nothing goes to waste. The meat becomes premium protein, the hides turn into luxury leather, and even the bones find purpose. This isn't just about meat production. It's about an entire ecosystem that supports communities, preserves traditions, and meets growing global demand for sustainable protein sources. What makes camel meat so special? Why is it suddenly gaining popularity in Western markets? And how does this ancient practice blend with modern food safety standards? Stay with us as we uncover the fascinating reality behind the camel meat industry, from the desert sands to processing plants, and everything in between. If you're curious about where your food comes from or fascinated by unique industries, you're in the right place. Drop a comment below and let us know, have you ever tried camel meat? And don't forget to like this video so we can bring you more eye-opening content like this.
right, smooth finish, consistent color. That's a clear grade A.
Grade A recorded. We have 3 more on the next pallet.
Now, let's dive deeper into what makes camel farming unique compared to traditional livestock. Camels are incredibly resilient animals, perfectly adapted to survive in extreme conditions where cattle or sheep would struggle. They can go weeks without water, thrive on minimal vegetation, and withstand temperature swings from scorching days to freezing nights. This makes them ideal for arid regions across the Middle East, North Africa, Australia, and parts of Asia. The raising process is surprisingly sophisticated. Modern camel farms combine traditional knowledge with contemporary animal husbandry practices. Farmers monitor nutrition carefully, ensuring camels get the right balance of natural forage and supplements. Veterinary care has advanced significantly with regular health checks and vaccination programs. When it comes to processing, the facilities follow strict international standards. The slaughter process is designed to be quick and humane, following religious and ethical guidelines. What happens next is where it gets really interesting: the systematic breakdown of the carcass into various products. The meat itself is leaner than beef, lower in cholesterol, and rich in protein. It's prized in many cultures for its unique flavor and health benefits. Premium cuts go to high-end restaurants, while other portions are processed into traditional dishes or exported globally. But the meat is just the beginning. The leather is particularly valuable, thick, durable, and distinctive. It's crafted into luxury goods, boots, bags, and traditional items. The bones are processed for gelatin and other byproducts. Even the fat has industrial applications.
Pick 5 units from aisle 3, slot 7.
Confirmed. Moving to next order. Pallet jack clear.
Manifest confirms 22 pallets for the first run.
Copy that. Moving the last one in now.
So there you have it, the complete journey of camel meat from desert farms to premium products. What we've witnessed here is more than just an industry. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relationship with one of nature's most resilient creatures.
Just need your signature
While
here.
the Western
Start unloading.
world is only now discovering
temperatures
camel
are
meat's
within
potential,
range. Everything is
millions of
verified.
people across Asia, Africa, and the Middle East have relied on it for centuries. The camel meat industry is growing rapidly, with increasing demand for sustainable, lean
is our
proteins
finest dry
and the
aged
rising
body.
popularity
Looks
of
wonderful.
exotic
Take 3
meats in
pounds of that
gourmet
one.
markets. Camel farming is experiencing a renaissance. Countries like Australia have even developed large-scale camel ranching operations, while Middle Eastern nations are modernizing their traditional practices. As we face global challenges around food security and sustainable agriculture, animals like camels, which thrive in harsh environments and require fewer resources than conventional livestock, might play an increasingly important role in feeding our growing population. The industry continues to evolve, balancing ancient traditions with modern efficiency, religious practices with international standards, and local consumption with global export markets. What did you think of this inside look? Does knowing the full story change your perspective on camel meat? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative and eye-opening, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us create more content like this. And if you're interested in learning about other unique food industries and fascinating production processes, hit that subscribe button and turn on
journey from the
notifications
desert
so you
to the
never
dinner
miss
table
our future
is
videos.
finally
Thanks for
complete.
watching, and we'll see you in the next one.